Hi guys, this is T-Bone Pearson here. I'm working hard on Spellfury, and I thought I would share this shot with you guys. This is the new saber effect, the Sword of Ilzera, as it's called. It's a lot better than the old effect. I just used a beam effect before. So I have this loaded up in After Effects, and I'm just working on the shot here. So I'm going to break this down for you guys and sort of show you what I'm up to with this. So let's pause it right when it's exciting with the blade out. Okay, so I have a lens flare over here. So that's just at the handle. I like the red and the blue together. They're very complementary colors. I have an orange solid on top of it, just sort of to blend everything together. See how it sort of blends all the elements together. What else do we have? Looks like I have a few copies of Saber on here. I have a fireplace right here. Let's move to where we can see the fireplace right there. Okay, so I've blurred that out, and so that's in this fireplace there. I've added that in, and then this level here, I'll name that. Hit enter and put, I think it's just an exposure, and it is the fireplace. So I'm trying to label all my layers. Now, a lot of times if it's just one guy, you don't have to do that. But if it's a lot of times, like, I'll have to work or something and not work on the show for like a month and come back in. And if they're not labeled, it's just you're wasting so much time. So it's always good to hit enter on the layer, then label it. Yeah. Now the background layer is down here, and I had to motion track the layer. Let's turn off the effects here. Let's solo this, and then let's turn off the green screen. Oh, know what I did? Let's go here. Let's double click this and go into the layer. Oh, there it is there. There's the original layer. And, oh, I don't like how that's touching Drew right there. And let's get rid of this here. And sometimes this is the best way to mask, like when you're actually on the source layer. But, yeah, so there it is there. So I had to track those X's by using tracker over here. And then I apply that to a null layer. And then any effect... Okay, basically what a null layer is you're using the data. You're tracking these X's. So the computer will track it frame by frame. And then you apply it to a null layer. Basically, it's a layer that has all the data. And anything I attach to the null layer will move with the data. I know it can be a little confusing. So let's find this null layer. I'll show you guys quickly. So the background layer is null 4. So that's one we're using. Let's find null 4. Where are you, buddy? And let's look at it. So let's go to transform. This is all the data in here. I'll zoom in. Let's hit plus on the keyboard. And so this is the data it got. So anything I apply to... Now, is that cutting into the layer? This here? I don't... Maybe the eye is drawn to this, to the lightsaber thing. Okay, there we go. So, all right. Anyway, yeah, anything added to null 4 will move with that data. So let's go back to the original layer. I don't think that was cutting into her arm, was it? Anyways, so yeah, this new effect, I used to use a beam effect, but this is way better. This is with Andrew Kramer released this plugin, which is fantastic, and I love it. Now, is my lens flare turned back? Let's see, my lens flare is off. What do you guys think? Should I leave it off? Or I like the red with the blue, just to give it sort of like more power from the base, and it sort of shines in her face. There's that there. Now, a lot of time, and then this is a character, it's over the shoulder, so I believe I've put, yeah, over the shoulder blur, OS blur, and that just allows you to focus on Druinia instead of this hair here. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, Gaussian blur. Yeah, see, like, you don't want to see that, so that's a Gaussian blur over there. The background is blurred as well. But yeah, so there's see how many layers there are, although I'm not using them all. Let's actually get rid of layers I'm not using. let's click this here and delete. Yeah, so this is one of the shots I've been working on. I've been working for a long time. And yeah, so if you have any questions about After Effects or what I'm doing here, please let me know. Thanks, guys, so much for supporting Spellfury and my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Anyways, guys, cheers. I will talk to you guys later.